Welcome to Sandhu channel. I am just walking through the life and death labyrinth that is located like a 1 hour drive from capital of Croatia, Zagreb. And I have to watch out like how I'm walking because it's a life and death experience through the maze. And later on I will sit on this bench and talk a little bit about this because this is fantastic. And then I walked and I stumbled up until up to this bush. These are the live bushes that just when we keep our head too high up, then there is possibility that we will not see things in reality like they are, and we will be caught. So I thought I will be finished here, but now I realize that it's not possible, so I have to walk a little bit more through. I got to the middle of the labyrinth of life and death. You see? Middle. And I'm alive. That is really achievement. Now I will sit on the bench. Now I'm on the bench. And here around me are 9 labyrinths shattered all around, and each of them is representing one planet. So what I suggest to you, if you ever come here, and I will put the location down, that when you enter, you just close your eyes and go in the direction that is most appealing to you. Just watch out on the stones, not to get in trouble, but you just walk around and stop where you feel it, and then open your eyes and see which labyrinth you chose, because probably that is the topic and energy that is important for you at this moment in your life, because each of these labyrinth is representing, as I said, one planet. So if you stopped in front of Venus labyrinth, it means that you have some love issues to resolve. And if you stop in front of the Jupiter labyrinth, it means that you have some spiritual questions and maybe better understanding your connection with the God and so on. So I did the same. So I stopped in front of the labyrinth of life and death. So I chose the labyrinth of life and death, and this one is dedicated to the planet of Saturnus and or Shani in Jyotish. And since I am temporary in that period in my life in Sadasati, this is just the right labyrinth for me. It means that some attitude towards life and death has to be done in a proper way, so that whatever happens to you, that you never lose appreciation of life, and you never lose love for life, and that all the things that are happening, that you just take it with the grace, and even if you don't like them, that you just keep your love for life, love, and so on. When clients come to me at the consultation, and if they are feeling miserable, sad, and just waking up each morning and feeling, oh, one more day just to do things and that's it, this means that there is a very important to change the attitude toward the life. And in fact, it is a shortcut for happiness, because there is a big and immense connection between happiness and our attitude toward life. So if you are not having time enough to heal all the traumas and all the things that happened in the childhood, and all the things that issues that you have with father and mother and what happened, then you just can change the attitude toward life as it is, and the big change will happen drastically, I assure you. Thank you.